All right, so we're going for some points today, and let's see. We're going to actually start formatting the website. So there's a few things that are going to happen here. The first is we're going to make a new page on our website. Then we're going to make a playlist on YouTube, and yeah, and then we'll have some points here. So let's see. My playlist on YouTube is right here. That's week 2, line 10. Create a YouTube playlist that contains videos. So I'm going to go here into YouTube and we're going to actually make a playlist right now, or first. So you can laugh all you like, but a playlist that has always fared me well has been Just Dance. We'll go with Beat It first. Just Dance, Beat It. And the reason the way that I stumbled upon this playlist was one year I was teaching pretty much everything. I was pretty much teaching everything at a middle school, and they asked me if I wanted to, or if I could also do PE for uh, for eighth grade. And during the winter time, there wasn't much that we can do. And one of the girls asked me, or one of the girls had said, "Hey, Mr. Gonzalez, can we do Just Dance?" And then it was actually pretty engaging, and it's been something now that I really love to use. So I'm gonna click here, add to, and I'm going to create a new playlist here. So I'm going to call it uh, Just Dance EDTE 4200. And it's a private or a public one. I could make a private playlist also. So let's see, create. And then it says down here, added to playlist. Another one that's a good one is, let's see, Smooth. And then I could add it to my playlist. So it's EDTE, Just Dance EDTE 4200. And let's see, that is set up. I just got to click outside of it. What's another one I like? There's this wrestling one. Final Countdown. Final Countdown. Kids go wild when we do this one. Actually, I go wild. This is one of my favorite ones. Let's see. My part is when they start jumping. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na. And then it says added to the playlist. And so that's 3 songs. I guess Eye of the Tiger, we could do that too. I'll click over here. Eye of the Tiger, add to, Just Dance, EDTE 4200. Boom. Added to playlist. And now I am set. Let's see, can I actually view my playlist over here? Show more, Just Dance, EDT 4200. Is it there somewhere? So out here would be all your playlist. Let's do this one, Just Dance PE. There you go. And then it has some of them. Well, this is a previous one that I made. Now, how do you embed this playlist into the Tech Quest? And this is going to be pretty cool. I'm going to select Play All. And I'm going to click Share. And let's see. I can just go ahead and highlight that. Copy it. Go up here into my EDTE 4200. And let's see. I want to make a page because I don't want to. I'm going to make a page just for the weeks that we're doing. And this first week we're doing, or this first checkpoint is going to be weeks 1 through 4. So I'm going to click on Pages. Again, over here is Insert. I'm going to click on Pages, and I'm going to call this week 1 through 4. Everything we do there, everything I do over the next couple or the next 3 weeks is going to go here. So this is week 1 through 4. Now I'm going to insert, and I'm going to select YouTube, video search, uploaded. Oh, what a drag. So it doesn't do that one. Let's do this. Embed. I'm going to paste. Yep, there we go. That works. And I could kind of resize it a little bit, make it look better. Make sure you write a little blurb about it. So let's see, on my Tech Quest, I have create a YouTube playlist that contains videos related to educational technology or standard that you are going to teach. Doesn't really go with the standard, but like I said, it's this one here is life changing. Let's see. Create a YouTube playlist. Text. And I'll put Just Dance has come in handy for me during rainy day schedules for PE, and also during testing week when the kids have been sitting down and they want to break. This is like a really cool one. And also during testing week when kids need a break. I have also perfected my moves for all of MJ's hits. Publish, and voila, Just Dance has come in handy for me. Something I noticed that a lot of people hadn't done yet is they hadn't, well, you're going to click up here to go home, but I noticed a lot of people hadn't put their Tech Quest up here at the front. So I'm going to do that right now. If you've missed it, feel free to do it. Remember that Tech Quest is a sheet. So I'm going to click on the sheet here. And here we go. This is my Tech Quest. I click here, insert, and voila. I have my Tech Quest available for me to view. Publish it. Let's see what we've got here. And so yeah, now my website's coming along. Scroll down, check everything out. Ooh, I didn't give myself my points, did I? No. You could, but go ahead and add your points for what you've completed. And have a great week. If you have any questions, feel free to to email or to get a hold of me. Bye bye.